back to my channel. My name is Christina. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. If you are not new here, welcome back. How you doing? I am filming a 10-minute Christmas makeup challenge, and spoiler alert, this is not how my makeup ended up after 10 minutes. I kind of cheated. At the end of 10 minutes, I looked a hot mess. It was incomplete, and I refused to end the video looking crazy. So yes, I did end up failing. So if you wanted to know if I failed or not, there you go. Now you can click out of this video. No, I'm just kidding. Don't click out. Stay. Before we start this video, hit the like button just because I said so, and yeah, you know, peer pressure. Follow me on all my social medias. You can follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, and that's about it. Maybe Pinterest. Anyways, I'm gonna quit talking so that you can watch me fail absolutely miserably. Get your popcorn ready because my anxiety level peaked. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super nervous about this, but we're gonna get this done. So I'm about to start my timer right now. We're doing 10 minutes. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to do my face first. I'm skipping primer because nobody got time. Here we go. Oh my god, my pump doesn't want to work. You gotta be kidding me. Come on. Okay. I'm doing my foundation first because I figure that if I run out of time, then you know what? At least my face will be done. If I fail, that's the most important part is my foundation. So should be good. I feel like I took too much time on that. Oh my god. I'm running out of time. I have 9 minutes and 13 seconds. Okay. Ooh, concealer. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is taking too long. This is taking way too long. Shoot, and my hand hurts. Oh my god, I'm like losing feeling in my hand. No. Okay, I'm going with the finger. When in doubt, pat it out. Oh my god, okay, that should be enough. Alright, I'm going to set everything really, really quick. Oh my god. Oh, I need bronzer. Why is it taking so long for me to find it? Oh my god. Okay, contour, contour, contour right now. OMG. This is so nerve-wracking. Why do I have to have so many steps in my routine? I'm gonna end up looking so crazy. I wonder how much time has passed. I don't even know. I'm starting to sweat. I should have put the fan on before I did this, but it's too late now. Okay. I'm taking too much time. I'm taking too much time. This is crazy. This is ridiculous. What am I doing? I need bronzer ASAP. Okay. Oh my god, I forgot to contour my nose. Holy cow. I'll do it later if I have time. Okay. Here we go. A little bit of bronzer. That won't hurt. Okay. Some blush. Go. I'm looking crazy. Okay. Alright, we're gonna do highlighting powder. I'm gonna use my sponge for that. I feel like it'll blend it out the best. I feel like I'm taking too long. I don't know how much time there is on the clock, and I'm freaking out right now. Oh my god. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. How much longer? Oh my god. Siri. I'm not worried about directions. Hey Siri. How much longer on the timer?
5 minutes and 4 seconds to go.
5 minutes and 4 seconds, holy cow! Okay, I'm taking so much time. I need to highlight my nose ASAP. Okay. Oh, this is crazy. Oh my god, this is crazy. What am I doing? Okay, I might not even be able to contour my nose. That's okay. That's okay. Is my highlight good enough? I think so. Okay, we're gonna move on to the eyes. I have 5 minutes to do these eyes. 5 freaking minutes. Okay. Blend. Hurry up. I shouldn't even put primer on my eyes. I don't even care. I'm doing my eyebrows now. I'm not leaving this video without done eyebrows. Please, please, please come out good. Oh god. Eyebrows are so tedious. I wish I had microblading. What the heck? Okay. Don't talk. Just do. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why do eyebrows have to be so tedious? This is crazy. I feel like this is just taking too long. These eyebrows are taking way too long, and I'm gonna end up failing because of this. So yeah, that's great. Oh, great. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, that's good enough. Why? Okay. That's gonna... That's gonna have to be good enough. Good enough. Awesome. Let's do the eyes. Oh my god. What am I doing? Okay, I need a blender brush. Great. Oh my god. Oh no, it's gotten everywhere. Hey Siri, how much longer? Oh.
You don't appear to be navigating anywhere right now. If you'd like directions,
Hey Siri.
just say, get directions to
Hey,
wherever.
hey Siri, how much longer on the timer?
It's running at 1 minute and 49
You're
seconds.
freaking joking right now. 1 minute and 49 seconds. Wow, I'm gonna fail. I'm gonna fail. I am going to fail. What have I done to myself? Why did I even think this was a good idea? I don't know. I'm crazy. I'm spending too much time on this red eyeshadow. This is fantastic. Okay. Oh, I don't even know what to do. I don't know. Candy cane dreams, more like candy cane nightmares. Here we go. This is not coming out the way I wanted it to, and that is so sad. Oh no. Okay. This is coming out like a 5th grader did my makeup. This is wonderful. This is cute. This is a look. This is such a look. The blend. The blend. Come on, blend. Come on, blend. I need you, blend. I don't even know what to use next. Okay, so 10 minutes. Okay, you know what? This isn't half bad. This isn't half bad. It's not complete. It's not half bad. Ugh, I'm so bad. I wanted to do this. I wanted to win. I wanted this to be successful. What the heck? So we've come to the conclusion that I cannot do a 10-minute Christmas makeup look. Like, it's just obviously not gonna happen because I have way too many steps in my routine. Okay, since I failed, I don't even want to end the video like this. I'm gonna finish this makeup look because I want it to be what I wanted it to be. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm cheating, so deal with it. Alright, so now that the pressure is off and my armpits are sweating, I'm gonna blend this look like it deserves to be blended. So let's do that. I just want to compare my overly ambitious eye versus reality. I really thought that I was going to get this entire look to look like this in under 10 minutes. Don't know what I was thinking. Yeah, whatever. I'm going to do the other eye off camera so that you guys can see the completed look. Completed, I cannot speak. Wow. That is the completed look. I can't even believe that. I really thought that I was gonna get anything close to this in 10 minutes, but whatever. So what I ended up doing was I added eyeliner. I don't even remember the last time I put eyeliner on. Literally, it's probably been like a year. So, but I feel like this look demanded eyeliner, so I did. I put some eyeliner on. Kind of even extended the gold eyeshadow towards the eyeliner. Looks good, I say so myself. Fixed up my face and added some lashes mascara. Now I am going to do lips. I think I'm just gonna go with a nude lip liner. What should I do? Or should I do red? What do you think? Too much red? Yeah, I think so. Do we like this? I can't tell if we like this or not. I feel like it's missing something. I think I might have found a really good contender actually. Let's do this. Oh my god, that is so pretty. This is how dedicated I am to Vlogmas. It is 2:30 in the morning and I'm filming this video because this is literally the only time that I've had to film all day long because Liam has been attached today. So this is cute though, I like it. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I cheated, I'm sorry. It's my video, I can do whatever I want. I'm gonna do it. Because if not, I would have ended up looking absolutely crazy at the end of this. Yeah, can't speak. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos of Vlogmas Day 3 coming tomorrow, hit that subscribe button and also hit that post notification bell so you know when I post a video, and Follow me on all of my social medias. My social media is Cristina Marisol with a Y, not an I. You like the hair flip? And I will see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Bye.